Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Here outside of Big Lots here in Chesapeake, it's going out of business. Some of the earlier days of the going out of business sales. So we're going to go in and take a quick look, see what the prices are, see what it looks like. Later on, once they are actually close to shutting down, we'll go back in and do a final video, kind of like a farewell to one of the great American stores, another great store that's meeting its demise here in the United States. So let's go inside and take a look, see what we can find. All right, making our approach, walking up to the building. Beautiful Big Lot sign. Nothing held back. 10 to 40% off right now. Closing sign on the side of the building. So let's go ahead and go on in and see what we can find, see what it looks like. Looks like they got a good bit of stuff in the store still. As I said, it's still the early days of it starting to close down. A lot of really nice furniture, beds, dressers. Still a little bit pricey, but price is starting to come down as we get closer to final days. As I said, it just started their liquidation sale, going out of business stuff, so there's gonna be a lot of stuff inside the store still. Bedding, everything's 15% off. All kinds of housewares, rugs, all kinds of different stuff. They are taking stuff off the shelves and emptying out some of the shelves a little bit. See, we got some empty shelves here. A lot of empty end caps. So starting to move stuff around, put it in different locations. Trying to do a little consolidation, looks like. Snow shovels. Anybody need some candles? Plenty of candles. We got some hangers. More empty aisles. The other day I was in here, that was the electronics section. Now the electronics section is completely moved out. Pet goods. Just another great American store I grew up with. Used to go to all the time when I was a kid. Now I went out of business. Pet goods, pet supplies. Just can't have great things in America these days, I guess. If you look at one of my other videos, I did a Pier 1. It's out of business. And it's now a Spirit Halloween. Go through this aisle down here. We got some hygiene stuff, shaving cream, shampoo, stuff like that. Coloring books, baby stuff. Got some toothbrushes, toothpaste, stuff like that. Some leftover Christmas stuff, but that is my current mood. It's like, oh no, another store's closing. Little toy aisle, still got some stuff in it, nothing much. different clothes for your pets. Who would ever thought you'd have dog sweaters? Got my storage stuff. More toys, Christmas trees. Yeah, trying to not get busted by the employees. I'm sure they're not very happy people filming. But yeah, that's pretty much the walkthrough of the local Big Lots here in Chesapeake, Virginia. As I said, it's moved back from Japan. It's got here, and I was kind of shocked to see so many different store brands that are going out of business. Big Lots, on that Pier 1, Party City, going out of business. It's like, what the hell is going on with America? Where's everything going? But yeah, thank you all for watching the video, tuning in. This is our look at Big Lots. Hey, I want to thank you all for watching the channel, watching the video. Quick walkthrough of the Big Lots in the first couple weeks of it's going out of business. Just stay tuned. We will do another walkthrough here in a couple weeks when it's close to closing time, see how much more empty it is, see what it looks like. Always a shame to see a Great American store, Great American company going out of business. Always liked Big Lots as a kid, like going in, checking things out, getting toys, and just getting things that were more affordable than a lot of other stores. But I guess that is how it is with the times these days. So thank you one more time for watching. Let me know how I'm doing, what you think of the channel, what you think of the videos, all that. Please keep supporting. It's going to help my channel grow and give me the ability to make much better and a lot more content for you all. I want to thank you all for tuning in today. Please continue to support Epic Adventurist, my primary channel, and my new channel which I'm working on, which is called Urbex Today. So let me know what you all think. Please leave some comments. Be free to subscribe to the channel. Let me know what y'all what you want to see, and we will go take a look at it. Thank you all.